Environmentally, the Ferrari is pine fresh compared to the old Jag, which chucks everything short of Cyclone B. The Ferrari has a 5-valve per cylinder, 3.5-litre V8, which churns out 375 horsepower. What they've done with the 355 is bring all their know-how, all their panache, everything they've learned from 50 years on the track, and merged it with the very latest technology.
Come on down to Bob's Honda dealer. Oh, look at this Honda. You don't want one of these Hondas? What are you, crazy?
Better that I can see it now.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, like, shit like this is gonna be, you know,
yeah.
all that nice.
But I mean, at the same time, like I said, there's no big dents, there's no...
No, yeah, I mean, the major dents on the front.
Yeah. I don't know what the hell happened with that, obviously, with holding it.
How long have you had the car?
Since last August. Yeah. Make it look good.
Well, you'll definitely end up looking like the original car.
Ferrari again, right?
It's a good thing we've worked on one before. Because like if you didn't know it, you would think, oh, it sounds like a Ferrari.
Well,
until you actually
how many people know what a 355 actually sounds like?
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, we do.
Well, yeah,
very few people
that's fine though.
Yeah.
Only the people that actually have to work on them or, you know, that own them know what they sound like. It's not like it's a common thing to know what it sounds like.
Yep.
All this, that side, and the bottom, it's all one-off fabricated.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
That's just absurd. That's just stupid.
You know, it's still got factory fuel tank, still has charcoal canister, all that stuff.
Oh,
Right?
the radio's in a 6-spot.
Yeah, rad's over there, big thick intercooler over there, still air to air. Keep it simple.
Keep it simple, stupid. Great advice. Hurts my feelings every time.
Well, good luck, guys.
Hey, we'll take care of you. Don't worry.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Molto bene, la macutele. Che non sei, ma la morusa. Ma regatoni, sei ma.
What?
I really like what I
Hey guys, thank you.
Hey guys, Sketches Inc. here. I don't want to be like too ecstatic because then it just sounds cheesy, but I also don't want to be like too monotone because then it's just like boring. So we'll try to find a happy middle ground here.
You do realize you don't have to do this in one take, do you?
Yeah, no, that's fine. But I'm just sort of like, I don't know, I'm talking out loud so that I can actually get like a thought process going about what's going on and what exactly we're doing.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing it really, really well.
Yeah, we've got the, hold on, is it? So here we have a Ferrari 355, 1996. I just don't know how to start it. Fuck, man. I can't not overthink it.
This guy's overthinking. Look, no thought. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Beside me is a red Ferrari 355 Spider from 1996. It has fucking, and I'm done. Try one more. This is a 1996 Ferrari 355 Spider in pretty rough condition, but that's okay because it has a special little secret under all these towels that we put on to keep it a secret. And it has a Honda 4-banger that makes a lot of noise and a lot of turbo spoolie sounds.
So when we got this car, the body was in pretty decent condition, at least most of the pieces were. There were a few spots here and there, like the bumpers and the side skirts, that were pretty beaten up. And so we had to do a lot of fiberglass repair on them, just to make sure that everything is super strong and it's not gonna crack in the future. And then bodywork over that, so that means Bondo, sanding, priming, and then paint over top of that just to finish everything off. This piece had to be fully reconstructed, so you can see underneath, this is all fiberglass that we had to put in there. A lot of the old stuff was taken out just because it was too cracked and destroyed. So instead we put new fiberglass pieces on here, front and back. And then you can see this blue stuff is Bondo, so that just makes it so that everything is nice and smooth. And a really nice glassy look by the end of it all. Obviously you can see a lot of work has to have been done to this. And it's still not fully done. We still got to do a little bit of work there just to make sure everything's nice and clean. But it's about, I don't know, 85% of the way. And the rest of the piece still has a bit more work to do, but it's a lot better than what it was, and it will be a lot better when it's done. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. What are you doing after work? Want to hang out? Take you for a rip on the bike? Go to Applebee's. So right now, I'm just cleaning these up, getting all the dust off from all the bodywork, and then they're gonna get a really thick primer to be able to fill all the little nicks and rock chips and stuff like that. And then after that, that'll be sanded and then ready for paint.
Yes.
Here we go.
That's
It doesn't like.
That's 100% not touching the front. Right?
No.
Okay. From here, it looks like it's like.
Well, when it first came in, it would go.
No. Yeah, one piece.
Rock chips? All rock chips? No, don't say that. No, she's just been outside, right? But
Yeah. Cool.
You painted it.
last human drive with the Ferrari.
Neutral?
Oh, hold that for a
That comes with the car.
Does it?
Yeah. Don't piss him off.
Because he's going to be stinging on the competition.
Fucking,
Hey!
really? Drop.
Oh.